Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start immediately. Connect the lightning cable to the computer but not yet to the phone. This prevents accidental boots. Once ready, press and release volume up, press and release volume down, then press and hold the side button. Keep holding even when the Apple logo appears. This forces the phone into recovery mode. You do this because that sequence interrupts normal startup and tells the device to await commands from Finder or iTunes. It's faster and more reliable than guessing button timing. Once the phone shows the recovery screen, connect it to the computer if not already connected, and keep holding until Finder or iTunes recognizes it. Open the app and accept the prompt that a device in recovery mode was detected. Choose Update first. This attempts to reinstall iOS without erasing your data, which is why you try it before Restore. If Update fails, then choose Restore as the final option. Pause and watch progress bars. Downloads and installs can take several minutes. After you click Update or Restore, let the computer complete the process. Do not disconnect the phone. Once finished, the phone will reboot and either return to setup or your home screen. Sign back into your Apple ID if prompted. If the computer never detects the device, try a different USB port or an Apple-certified cable, restart the computer, and repeat the button sequence. This resolves most connection problems. If that still fails, consider trying DFU mode or visiting Apple support for hardware checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.